Okay, so this is the CYMA pump airsoft gun, shotgun. And when I first got it, it came with about 4 shells, a flashlight, and a red scope. The flashlight and the red scope, they don't have much of a point, but the shells are okay. In here, you can load with about 14 shots, I think. Yeah, 14 rounds. It comes with 4 of them. I lost 1 of them. Yeah. And then you're also maybe going to get a speed loader. With the speed loader, you're able to just kind of load it like this. And you got 14 give or take shots down in there. To load it into the gun, you have a little switch right here you have to pull back on, pops open. You drop the shell down into right there, push it down, latch it down. Now I'm going to test it here on this can and the cardboard, just kind of give you an idea of how powerful the gun is. Just an average idea. This is from almost point blank range. Just had a bullet jam. It was actually the first time I've had it jam, and I've had it since about December now, in 2013. So the shot, it went clear in, punctured clear through, and out to the other side, and bounced off the cardboard over here in the back. So, to do a cardboard test, it'll probably go right through it easily. There you go. That was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shots. Might have lost a few in the jam, so who knows. But there you go. There's the CYMA airsoft shotgun M180A2 or something like that. Bye. Also built into this gun, you have a hop-up.